la la. Nazdar, nazdar. Ty vole. Co to smrdí? Ty vole. Počkej. Co to je? Jsou tvarůžky. Olomoucké tvarůžky. Jo! Já jsem tady. Ahoj, ahoj. Já jsem v Anglii. Dobrý den všichni. Tož tak. I am so excited, guys. The box has arrived. Tvarůžky from Czech Republic. I've been waiting for this for a while, and it's really hard to come across, especially in England, because, you know, in most places they don't really sell Czech foods in shops, and in the shop that I usually go to, Freshfield, they sort me out. They blessed me. A lovely gentleman dropped me this box of tvarůžky this morning, and he came in the a really big lorry, which like brought the delivery from Czech and Slovakia, and he phoned me and he said that the box has arrived, come outside. And I looked through my window and I was like, wow, and I was like, I couldn't believe it. I had a special delivery, and it's really hard to get hold of a box. So do you know what? I'm going to do a review, and I'm going to show you a small clip when he came and dropped off the cheese at my front door. Thank you. If you're watching this video, thank you for bringing me the cheese. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Děkuju. Na zdraví. České pivo je nejlepší. Tak. Check this out. I just received a box of cheese from Czech Republic, guys. Quality service, look at that. There he is.
Infringed on his driving hours.
Ah.
So they held him from Saturday afternoon to Sunday afternoon.
Tak. Woohoo! Exclusive! Unboxed. I don't even know how much is in there. Já nevím kolik. Olomoucké tvarůžky. Alright. Exclusively, I'm going to unbox the tvarůžky from Czech Republic with you guys. Smrdí! Ty vole! Ale dobré. Moc. Dívejte. Kolik tady? Tož tak, kolik tady? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Tak. Počkej. Tak, tady je chleba, bread, paprika, kmín, cibule, onion, česnek, garlic. Tak, we will do review, guys, okay? Počkej. Right. Kde je nůž? Počkej, prosím. Nůž tady. A máslo tady. Tak. Right. I'm going to review this smelly cheese, guys. Let me open it up for you. Olomouc tvarůžky is usually sold in Czech Republic. Let me tell you what this cheese smells like. This cheese, this cheese is not for the faint-hearted. This cheese smells it just really wrenches. It's got that, it just stinks, but it's really, really nice. And I'm gonna prepare it on a nice bit of bread and it's gonna be good. Dobre. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you the proper way how to prepare tvarůžky, okay? Right, so I'm going to open the bread. Yeah, nice thick piece. A tady je maslo, butter. So I'm going to butter the bread first. Get the butter over the bread. This is a Polish bread I'm using, by the way. Okay. And then I will put the tvarůžky. Okay. I guess I would only need one, but depending on how much you would need to use. Wait, I'll have a look and see first. Let's have a look. Right. I must tell you it smells, but dobre, je to dobre. Okay, so I'm just going to place the cheese now. This is like olomoucké tvarůžky. Right. Like that way. I think I should add a little bit more. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Alright, so I have placed the tvarůžky na chleba. Tak. A potom cibule. Okay, so I'm just going to place the onion now on top of the tvarůžky. Okay. So what I would do is quickly, I'm going to wash this and then I'm going to come back and chop it. Right, guys? 1 minute. Okay. So, here we go, have it. Right, so that should be enough for me. Right, so I'm going to place the onion on top now. Ooh, already that I just want to eat it already. Wow. I would like to use, yeah, that's enough for me for now. Okay, now I'm going to put on top will be the garlic, chestnut. Okay, so you just take off the shell off of the clove. I'm going to wash my garlic. 1 minute. Okay, and then you chop it like this. I'm just showing you how to prepare tvarůžky, guys, because in the shop it's sold, but I'm not sure many people would not prepare it in this way. And this is a traditional way how sometimes you would go to somebody's house even and they would prepare you tvarůžky and a chleba exactly like this. It's not just a cheese, you know, it's best prepared this way. This is the best way you can eat tvarůžky. I'm telling you. Na chleba. Tvarůžky na chleba. Okay, teď kmín, jo? A potom paprika. And I've saved just one sip of pivko of my beer after I try this. I can't. Oh, that smells. So far I can smell the cheese, the onions, the garlic, everything is really good. So tady kmín is like, if you know, Czechs use kmín when they are cooking, boiling potatoes, and you can use it for other things. So I'm just going to sprinkle it now. Tak, like so. Jo. Okay. A potom paprika. Hasn't been opened yet. Okay. Then I will just sprinkle onto it. Oops, like so. Whew, that looks like enough for me. And look at that, guys, wait. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to try this. Wait, look at that. Look at that, guys. This is so juicy. All right. Now I'm going to review it and tell you how it tastes, okay? Let's go. Oh my. Tivole. Tivole, tivole. Promiň, počkej. Tož tak. The reason why it took me so long to explain, it tasted so good, I couldn't even think of the words to tell you how it tastes. Wow! Everything, it's like the garlic and the onion complements the cheese. It makes it taste so good. On the butter, the cheese, oh wow! And ja mam czeskie piwo taki, Budvar, ja mam Budvar, dvěte, na zdraví. Čauky mňauky, zatím.